Kolkata of the Congress now staging a protest over the Abhaya rape and murder case. Congress workers hitting the streets in protest, and these are the live images that we're getting to you, where you can see scores of Congress leaders, workers all coming together to stage an agitation. So essentially now, even as you've had the BJP and left out on the streets, the Congress also joining the protests. And we've seen multiple statements also from Rahul Gandhi, from Priyanka Gandhi, putting the onus on the Bengal government, saying that there can be no cover-up, no conspiracy. All the accused must be in fact cracked down upon. So while you've had those comments coming in from the Congress leadership, they've not really been seen out there on the ground staging massive protests or been out there leading any agitation against the Mamata government like the left and the BJP has. But now you see, a day after the BJP's Bengal Bandh, Congress workers out on the streets there in Kolkata staging a protest over the rape and murder of Abhaya. This is going to be a mega march by the Congress leadership. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is currently the senior-most face really of the Bengal Congress, is out there. He will be a part of the protest march as well. We'll connect with our reporters on the ground to get you some of the voices of the Congress workers there, because this is in a sense a catch-22 situation for the Congress, because while they've been opposing and condemning what happened in Bengal, there is of course the larger India bloc to consider as well, which is why, while they've been critical of, in fact, the TMC's handling of this case, they've not been leading from the front in that fight. Now you're seeing them also hitting the streets, much like other opposition parties in Bengal. And we'll also get you a reaction from the Trinamool Congress on the fact that now the Congress is also out on the streets protesting against the Mamata government. Pressure piling and political pressure at that piling on the Mamata government right now, as you've got the Congress, besides the BJP and the left. Suryagni Roy now, who's joining us live from the protest site where the Congress is coming together and holding the agitation that you see on your screen. Suryagni, over to you. Get us voices from the ground.
Well, after various political parties, it's the Congress which is hitting the streets of Kolkata against what we have seen at Arjikar. It's a huge rally that is planned by the Congress workers, by the Congress leaders. Many, behind us, many in front of us, and in a short while from now, the Congress leaders will be starting this particular protest. There are women folk who are standing, who are leading this rally. I'd ask my camera person, to just turn around and show you, how many more people have gathered in front of this particular rally. Now coming, back to the politics over this rally that we are looking at. Let's not forget that in Delhi, the Indian alliance is still there, where Trinamool is also with the Congress. But if you look at what's happening in Bengal, the Congress has always been questioning the administration and the politics of Trinamool Congress, especially Mamata Banerjee. Time and again, Mamata Banerjee has openly declared war against the Bengal faction of Congress, alleging that they are hand in glove with the left and the BJP, and they want to destabilize Mamata Banerjee over here. But in Delhi, she is with the Congress, because that's the real Congress. That's what Mamata Banerjee has time and again said in public. Over various issues, the Congress has hit the streets against Mamata Banerjee, but this is the first time that they are hitting the streets on this issue of Arjikar. It's going to be led by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. And just look at the crowd. Many supporters of the Congress have arrived over here. They will march this, and they will lead, take this rally and reach till Sham Bazaar, the area where Arjikar is. It becomes very, very interesting, as I have been stating, that it's the Congress that's taking on Mamata Banerjee's administration on the issue of Arjikar. Back to you.
Okay, Suryagni getting us those live updates and showing us really how the Congress is now coming together. Interesting really, because this piles political pressure on the Mamata government, Suryagni. The Congress has been critical, yes, of the government, but they've not really hit the streets in the manner that the BJP and left have. And today, they're also out there staging this protest march.
Absolutely. You know, it's, as I have been mentioning, that it's very, very interesting, the political dynamics in West Bengal between the Congress and the Trinamool Congress. It's not as it is in Delhi. Time and again, you know, Mamata Banerjee has said that the Congress in Bengal is, you know, it works at the behest of Adhir Chaudhary, and, you know, they are hand in glove with the BJP and the left, and they want to take on Mamata Banerjee. Even the seat sharing didn't work in Bengal, let's not forget. However, there is an alliance. That alliance is in Delhi, where Mamata Banerjee and the Congress are together. But on many issues, on multiple issues, we have seen that there is a face-off between the Congress and the Trinamool Congress. Let's take an example of this particular one, where this rally is being led by Adhir Chaudhary. He's going to come down in a while, and he's going to walk it down with this, you know, huge gathering. This rally is against the administration. This rally is against Mamata Banerjee. If I can, you know, like there are banners, if we can just show you, many have come, wherein, you know, there are slogans wherein they say "Chi Chi Dikkar, Pratibad Pratibad." So basically, these are the demands that they want, that the persons involved should be, you know, fast inquiry should happen, and they should be, you know, hanged. So as I have been mentioning, we are seeing a lot of politics being played out between political parties on the background of this RG Kar case. Back to you.
Okay, Suryagni, can you get us some voices from the ground of these Congress workers and what they have to say about the handling of of the Abhaya rape and murder case by the Mamata government, and now, of course, with it going to the CBI? Suryagni, can you hear me?
If you can repeat your question, there's
Suryagni, I was just asking you if you could speak to some of the Congress workers there, get us their voices.
Absolutely, you know, there are so many of the Congress workers over here. Someone is standing over here. ये आप लोगों का जो आज ये आप लोगों का जो रैली आप लोगों का जो रैली है, कहीं ना कहीं ये ममता बनर्जी की सरकार के खिलाफ भी है, लेकिन इंडिया अलायंस में तो इकट्ठे हो, तो ये कैसे चल रहा है?
सब इंडिया अलायंस में सब सही है, ठीक ही चल रहा है। इंडिया अलायंस में जितना पार्टी है सब के साथ में है।
लेकिन फिर अगर इंडिया अलायंस में एक साथ हैं तो क्यों विरोध क्यों कर रहे हैं?
वो तो ये दुर्भाग्य घटना, रेप का घटना है, इसलिए।
Try and speak to others over here as well, you know, and get a sense of what others over here they feel. आप लोगों से थोड़ा बात करेंगे। कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया अलायंस में इकट्ठे हो आप लोग, लेकिन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पे सवाल कांग्रेस की तरफ से उठाया जा रहा है, तो क्या इंडिया अलायंस की फ्यूचर खराब हो सकती है अगर कांग्रेस और तृणमूल कांग्रेस आमने सामने आ जाए?
देखिए, ऐसी बात नहीं है। भले इंडिया अलायंस में ही हमारी ममता बनर्जी की पार्टी है, टीएमसी, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जहां पर गलत है, गलत का प्रतिवाद हम लोग कांग्रेस नेशनल पार्टी हमेशा से की है। कभी भी इस तरह का सपोर्ट उन लोगों ने नहीं किया है। हम लोगों ने महिला के नहीं, सभी भी जितने भी मुद्दे हैं देश के तरक्की के लिए हम लोगों ने उनका सपोर्ट किया है। ममता बनर्जी इंडिया अलायंस के कारण होते हुए भी जिस तरह से आरजी कौर का जिस तरह से इस्तेमाल किया गया प्रशासन के द्वारा, मंत्री के द्वारा, नेताओं के द्वारा, इसका प्रतिवाद हम लोग खुलेआम से करेंगे और अंत तक करेंगे। जब तक आरजी कौर के जो दोषी को पूरा शास्ति नहीं होता, ये लड़ाई हम लोगों की जारी रहेगी।
See, this is what the Congress has been claiming, that on issues which it feels that Mamata's administration hasn't been able to perform, especially this particular one, the RG Kar one that we are talking about, and for women's safety, the Congress will be speaking. Yes, there is an alliance. That alliance stays, but that doesn't let the Congress, you know, keep quiet against speaking of such issues, especially which deals with women's safety. Back to you.
All right, Suryagni getting us all the live updates from Ground Zero, showing us really the protests that are happening on ground by Congress leaders. We are also expecting that the top leadership of the Bengal Congress will be there, Suryagni.
Absolutely, Adhir Chaudhary is scheduled to lead this rally. He will come in let's say in a moment from now, and then they will start this particular rally. It's also important, Akshita, to see what he says, because he's been an ardent critic of Mamata Banerjee and Mamata Banerjee's government, and in this particular issue, it has to be seen what he says. Back to you.
Okay, Suryagni, thanks for joining us.